I'm excited to share my experience with the RVLock V4 key fob and keyless entry keypad. This lock is a solid upgrade from the standard locks you typically find on RVs. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. The full metal construction is impressive. Installing it was a straightforward process. Just undo 6 screws, slide the old one out, and the new one in, install the 6 new screws, followed the instructions, and within about 10 minutes I had it up and running. Keyless entry is one of the reasons that I picked this lock. I love it being able to use the key fob to unlock the door from up to 50 feet away. It's super convenient, especially when my hands are full. The backlit keypad is another great feature. Setting my own code was quick and easy, and it's really handy for those late night returns. The lock feels incredibly robust and resistant to tampering. Plus, it has an auto lock feature, which gives me peace of mind knowing my RV is secure, even if I forgot to lock it myself. Overall, the RV V4 has been a fantastic addition to my RV. It's convenient, secure, and well worth the investment. If you're considering upgrading your RV security, I highly recommend giving this lock a try.